Okay, hello everyone. Very quick video today. I just want to walk through some of the calendar changes that are coming up and then get into a few other quick things. So next week is a 4-day week for students. We have a teacher workshop day on Friday. That's Friday the 8th. So with that, we're not going to have a Spartan day on Monday. That's going to be a white day. So the week's going to go white day, then a green day, white day, green day. And then that Friday the 8th is a teacher workshop day. And then we also have no school on Monday the 11th. All right. I did send out information earlier this week regarding the Purple Star campaign, and I encourage you to look at that. That is a program that we've partnered with the Department of Education and the New Hampshire National Guard to support military connected students. So please take a look at that information. And finally, I just want to walk through some of the things we have going on for homecoming next week. On Tuesday the 5th, we have a home cross-country meet. On Thursday the 7th, we have our Student Senate Flag Football Tournament, which is starting at 6 p.m. Friday the 8th, we have a Varsity Girls Soccer game. They'll host Pelham at 4. JV Girls Soccer will host Bow at 4. Field Hockey will host Pelham Varsity at 4, and JV will follow around 5:30. So those are all on Friday. Saturday, we have Varsity Boys Soccer will host West at 10 a.m. JV Boys Soccer will host Bow at 10 a.m. Football will host West at 2:30 p.m. and then we'll have a bonfire and music at 7 p.m. on Saturday. Homecoming Spirit Days, we have Monday is going to be Tacky Tourist Day. Tuesday is going to be Decades Day. Wednesday is Cowboys versus Aliens. Thursday is going to be Spartan Pride Day. And Saturday is Homecoming Day and a pink out. All right, so just wanted to get all that information out there. Hope everyone's doing well. Thank you. Go PA and have a great day.